So next I want to talk about the second topic, where we are comparing the total sample in reading achievement from beginning to end of the school year. So the question is, did the total sample of students increase in their reading scores from the beginning of the school year to the end of the school year? And so we want to look at what the alternative hypothesis is. And that is that we're expecting the mean reading achievement at time 2 to be greater than the mean reading achievement at time 1. So the statistical test that we're going to use is a paired samples t-test, because for each subject we're going to have 2 test scores. We're going to have reading achievement at time 1 and reading achievement at time 2. We're going to test this hypothesis using a one-tailed test, because here we state that we are wondering if there is an increase in the score. So I'm going to now run that test in SPSS. I'm going to go to Analyze. I'm going to go to Compare Means, because that's what t-tests do. And I'm going to select the Paired Samples t-test. Now here, I already have it filled in, so we'll go back to the beginning. We're going to find the reading achievement test again, the ELFE. This is the before, and that's going to be our first variable. And we're going to compare it to the ELFE after. That's going to be our second variable. And then we're going to go ahead and run the test. So here is our output. I've already copied it to this page. So then we can answer our next question. What is mean reading achievement for time 1? So here is reading achievement before the intervention, which is time 1, and here is the mean. What is the mean reading achievement at time 2? So here's the reading achievement after, and here is the value for time 2. So what is the difference in the reading scores? Well, here we can see the mean difference. What is the t-value? The t-value is down here in the paired sample t-test table as well. And then the p-value, this is going to be a one-sided test. So because it's one-sided, we would divide if you only have the two-sided value, you're going to divide that by 2. So that's why we have divide by 2. Do we reject the null hypothesis? Yes, because this test value is below our 0.05 threshold. So that means there is a difference, a statistically significant difference between these two sets of scores. So this supports the idea that students have significantly higher scores at the end of the school year than the beginning. So they are learning something about reading.